Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with two viral math questions. Second one is more trickier than the first one, and these are top commenters. And answer and comment your answer actually to feature here. Our first question is 9 divided by 3 by 9 into 3. This is very simple, so try to solve by your own. Okay, pause this video and comment your answer. Okay, time's up. We will solve with the PEMDAS and step by step. Here two operations are there, division and multiplication, and both have the same priority, and we have to solve from left to right. So first we will solve for this part, but many solve like this: 9 divided by 3 by 9 into 3, and 3 1 3 times, and 3 1 3, and 1 divided by 9, that is 9. So this is the wrong way. Okay, so don't try to solve like this. I will solve in a correct way. So we'll write again 9 divided by 3 by 9 into 3. First we have to solve this division part. As we know, left to right we have to solve, and we will also apply here KCF rule for better understanding of this question. Okay, so what we do, we will keep this 9 as it is, and division will be changed to multiplication, and 3 by 9 will become 9 by 3 into 3, and here 3 times 3, that is 9. So our equation will become 3 into 9 into 3. 3 times 9, that is equal to 27 into 3, and 27 into 3, that is 81. So here 81 is the right answer. Coming to the next question. I told you this one is more trickier, but try to solve by your own. I am waiting for your answer. Pause this video and comment your answer. Okay, time's up. Here we will write the PEMDAS. So we will take a reference. Here what we can see, parenthesis part, exponential part, division, actually multiplication hidden here, and the subtraction. So we will write here PEMDAS, and first we have to solve this parenthesis part. Okay, so we will solve this one first. So what we will write, 18 divided by 3, 2 plus 3, that will become 3, minus 3 square. In the next step we have to solve for exponential, this part. Okay, so we will write again 18 divided by 3 into 3 minus 3 square, which will be 3 into 3, which equals to 9. So we will simply write 9 here. And here if you think 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, and 18 divided by 9, that is equal to 2 minus 9, and ultimate answer is minus 7, then you are wrong. We will solve the correct way. Okay, so here, as we know, multiplication and division have the same priority, so we have to solve from here left to right. We will write our question again, 18 divided by 3 into 3 minus 9, and we have to solve for this part. 18 divided by 3, that is 6 into 3 minus 9, and when division is done, multiplication you have to solve, like 6 into 3, that is 18 minus 9, and 18 minus 9, that is 9. So here right answer is 9. So watch more videos like this, and thanks for watching.